In the blessed month of Ramadan, donate your zakat, sadaqah, fidya toward the Gharib and Yatim Trust Fund. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, Gharib and Yatim Trust Fund working for poor and needy people all over Bangladesh. Most recently, we start our work in East Africa, Tanzania. 2024 was a very successful year for the Gharib and Yatim Trust Fund. We spent over £500,000 all over Bangladesh and East Africa, Tanzania. My dear brothers and sisters, in the blessed month of Ramadan, please donate your zakat, sadaqah, fidya toward the Gharib and Yatim Trust Fund. Help those people. Help every single project. Allah will give you reward. Visit our website www.gharibfund.com. Give us phone call 0207 247 8245. Jazakumullah.